Hi friends, today we are going to solve Mark and the Toys problem from the sorting subsection of the interview preparation kit. The given problem statement is that an array of prices of different toys would be given, which would be in an unsorted manner, and a price that Mark would have, for example K, would be given. So you have to determine how much maximum toys Mark can purchase in what is the maximum number of toys Mark can purchase, where the intention of Mark is to maximize the number of toys he's going to purchase. So in order to do this, so basically this problem could be turned into a greedy kind of problem. So here first work of us is to sort the prices. So let's sort the prices. Prices equal to sorted prices and count. So count would basically count how much money Mark has by which he can buy maximum number of toys. So as of now, he has not purchased any toys, so the count is 0. So it'll be looping through our sorted list where the minimum price of the toys that is going to be there comes first, and it is basically the prices would be from ascending to descend, from as in ascending order. So for each in prices, if each less than equal to k, check the spelling. So if the value of the value of the current toy is less than the amount of money Mark has, that basically means that Mark can purchase that toy. So in that case, Mark would purchase the toy, and the amount of money that would be left with Mark would be reduced by the value of that toy. So in this case, it is going to be H. And as he had already purchased that toy, so the count would be increased by 1. And at last we'll be returning count. Very straightforward, simple problem. I guess 6 lines of code it would be required. Let's submit the code. As you could see, it passed all the test cases successfully. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.